Next roundabout, I would like you to turn right, please. Third exit. So you're doing it by yourself, don't you? Okay. You need to go first, come on. Okay.
He kept moving forward, that's why I was waiting. Because he stopped and then he started to go
Yeah,
again.
okay, we'll talk about this in a minute. It's okay. It's alright, don't worry about it. Right, let's talk about this mini roundabout then. First of all, how many exits this mini roundabout have?
4.
Good. Was it open or closed view junction?
That side was closed, I think.
Yeah, so it's closed.
Yeah.
From your right, it's closed. Agree with you. So you done right thing there. You went up there. You position in the middle, so you know you want to go around it. You stopped because it was a closed view. Where do you look first?
To the right.
Was anybody coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Nobody was coming, so give you the benefit of doubt. Then where you need to look?
Ahead.
Okay. Was there any car signaling coming onto your right?
No.
No. Now this is the important thing. Then you still stay there because you're looking at that van. That van did have a pause, and then he started moving.
Yeah.
Why you think he had a pause, and then he started moving? Why you think he did that?
Because I hesitated.
There you go. That is the answer I was after. So as soon as you look to the right, you done your ladder, nobody's coming, look ahead. So the van driver and the car behind, or if there is any, they were not signaling on your. Then you should have glanced your left and should have just gone quickly.
Yeah.
Now because you pause and you're telling yourself, I need to give way to him or not because he's going there. If he's coming here and we going right, are we on his right side?
No. But yeah,
So he have to.
give way to us.
As you go.
Yeah.
Is that clear?